This is the part of the last night episode, guys. So Siyacela and his brothers, they pay Sangoma a 1.6 for them to quit alcohol, guys. Just imagine. So when late Lamuga say he puku, he stupid, am I idiot? He was right. They are all the same, guys. So welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. It's Ngani Lengani plays at 9 o'clock on Mojolab every Sunday. You can also catch the repeat at 2:30 on Wednesday, guys. So whom do he's the old brother. Siyacela obviously still 20 years, is still young. So you know what they did? The three brothers, they do admit that they do have a drinking problem. They don't deny that, which is it's a good part. But anyway, instead of them going to look for rehab, they decided, you know what, to go and see a traditional healer in their state drink to ask him to help them to stop drinking. Umdu is angry that they are giving money to a Sangoma to help him to quit alcohol instead of giving him the money to spend on alcohol. Umdu wanna continue spending the money, guys, on alcohol instead of getting help. And people have been saying this, guys, saying, you know what, these three boys are idiots, you know, as they have the same problem. It's not a secret that these three brothers are joke, guys. And the sad part is that it's sad and painful that Siyacela is only 20 years old, already looking for rehab so he can quit alcohol. He's still young, but he has so many things that is not looking good. Siyacela is giving him a chest pain, guys. Siyacela obviously has a son with Tando. He should be busy playing a father, looking for a job. For those who don't know, Siyacela quit at grade 9, yeah, although Tando did reach matric, but unfortunately she didn't make it. Hopefully she will go back because she wants to be an actor, she wants to be a social worker. But anyway, guys, hopefully we will see